Hello everyone, today we'll present our staff scheduling optimization project for Tommy's Pizza. Our team members are Casey Kern, Sherling Lee, and Hwan-Ho Kim. We use a mathematical approach to schedule employees for afternoon and evening shifts, considering availability and wage levels. Our dataset records each employee's availability as binary values and includes their wage levels for each shift. It also reflects restaurants' operational hours across 5 days.
For our model, we decided to use 4 decision variables that are divided between the front of house and back of house employees. These are then further divided into the afternoon and evening shifts. These are binary variables that represent whether or not an employee is scheduled to work a specific shift. We have 5 constant variables, 4 of which represent the wages of employees during a shift, and another that represents the expected demand during a shift. And then lastly, we had an availability dummy variable that represents whether or not an employee is available for any given shift.
Here's the linear model. For the objective function, the multiplication between decision variable and wage represent labor cost, and sum of 4 different labor costs should be minimized. For the constraints, we assume that each back employees can handle 45 customers and front employees can handle 50 customers per shift. In other words, customer demand divided by 50 or 45 is minimum number of employees for a restaurant operation, and sum of columns of decision variable should be greater than or equal to this minimum number of employees. Secondly, 8 shifts are the maximum limit for the employees in a week because employers should give overtime pay if working hours beyond 40 hours. Lastly, each value within the decision variable should be less than the value of availability metrics because each employees can work only when they are available. As a result of our model, there are 4 different matrices representing the schedule of employees, and minimized labor cost will be $6,020 per week. Here is Tommy's Pizza weekly schedule table, and we confirm that every employee works less than or equal to 40 hours per week, and sum of labor cost per week is $6,020. Thank you for listening.